So Instagram, we do the same thing. Instagram, we take the best 15-second clips and we use them to boost and put on the Instagram for you. Snapchat, I'm going to hurry up through Snapchat. And now written word. Has anybody ever written a letter to a client about why they should buy this annuity or life insurance? Oh, yeah. Or an email? You know, I think that you should do this. I think you should do that. I think you should do it this way. I think you should, you know, this works. You said you wanted safety. You didn't want to lose any money. You didn't want to pay the fees. This is what I'm providing to you is everything that you talked about. And why are you not calling me back? Or why haven't you made the decision? Well, now we can do it in video content. Hey, go to my YouTube channel. And then because of DFS Marketing, you have a year's worth of videos talking about stuff, or you have a year's worth of content on Facebook about why that customer should do the deal with you. That's credibility right there. That's not just a single, email that you had quickly created, or you have a website that DFS Marketing created that has 100 videos on there talking about the services that you offer. That is true credibility building. That is what I'm talking about. And then we take the written word, and we add it to Quora and some of the other social media sites out there. And so let me just jump over to, here are the results of what we do. One presentation became over 30 pieces of content, resulting in over 35 million views of me. 35 million views of people, of agents looking at, I didn't even know there's 35 million. They must have been watching it 3 or 4 times a piece, but it's 35 million views that I didn't have 2 years ago. 2 years ago, all we were doing was calling on the phone. Hey, come do business with us, agent. Are you working on any cases? Now it's one video, 35 million views from agents. You talk about some serious marketing efforts and capabilities of this internet. Content. Oh, did I say content? More content. Thank you for the attention on that, because really that's what it is. It's not about how old you are, how fat you are, how ugly you are. It's not about that. It's not about if you were in the video and it was too difficult to talk at the time. It's all about somebody one day typing in life insurance or annuity on the internet and you pulling up number one. Not Raymond James, not Geico, not Edward Jones, but you. You are the one that pulls up. That's some serious credibility and some serious traffic driving capabilities that the internet can provide. When I was in the Marine Corps, we used to have this motto, 1 shot, 1 kill. Anybody know what that means? Mm-hmm. What does it mean?
6 years active duty on bullet for life.
Yeah, it means like 1 bullet, you get them, Here, we are fishing with a net. You're able to get a whole bunch of people. No more 1 shot, 1 kill. No more, 1 interview at a time with a person, talk about the services you offer. 1 video, bam, 5,000 people at one time. That's what we can do with this internet stuff. It's really cool.